Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to set up Wi-Fi extender. In this method we're going to see how to set up a D-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender. Firstly, plug in the router's power adapter to a power socket. Wait for the router's indicator lights to turn on. Now use a pin to press and hold the reset button, usually on the bottom or back, for 15 seconds. Wait for the lights to blink and stabilize. This confirms the router has been reset to factory settings. Now you can connect in two ways. Via Wi-Fi, find the default Wi-Fi name printed on the label underneath the router. On your PC or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to that network. Or you can do it via LAN, which is the cable. Plug one end of an Ethernet cable into your computer and the other into any LAN port on the router. Now open your browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Enter the login credentials, which should be admin, and the password should be admin, or see the sticker on the router's default page. Now click Start to launch the Internet Connection Setup wizard. Click Continue and choose connection method as Wi-Fi, work mode as repeater, then click Next. On the LAN page, check Automatically obtain an IPv4 address, then click Next. Now on the Wi-Fi client page, click Wireless Networks and choose the Wi-Fi network you want to extend, which is your main router. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then click Next. A new SSID will be created. Choose a Wi-Fi password for the extender. You can copy the main router's credentials by selecting Use, then click Next. Repeat the same process for the 5 GHz network if your router supports dual brand. Now you'll be prompted to change the admin password, which is optional but recommended. Click Next. Review the summary of your configuration, then click Apply to save. And you're done. Wait for the router to restart. You'll now see a Wi-Fi network which is new, ending in EXT. Connect to it and enjoy extended coverage. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.